Pink salt, also known as Himalayan salt, is like the A-lister of the seasoning world. Its signature pink hue comes from the trace minerals it packs: iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It's not just salt, it's salt plus a few bonuses. Compared to regular table salt, pink salt is less processed. Table salt often gets stripped of its natural minerals and loaded with anti-caking agents. Pink salt skips that over-processing, leaving you with a product closer to its natural state. Think farm to table, but for salt. One reason people rave about pink salt is its electrolyte content. Electrolytes balance fluids and help your body function more efficiently. If you're into hydration or recovering from a workout, this salt does more than just make your food taste better. Pain point alert. Ever feel bloated after too much sodium? Here's the thing. Pink salt is lower in sodium per teaspoon compared to table salt because its crystals are larger. So you're technically consuming less sodium when you use the same amount. Win-win. Feeling fancy? Pink salt can also be used outside the kitchen. You've probably seen those Himalayan salt lamps. While debates about their benefits rage on, people claim they diffuse negative energy and purify the air. At the very least, they're Instagram-worthy. There's also the DIY home spa angle. Pink salt makes a great bath soak, helping to relax muscles and soothe the skin. Unlike most bath salts, it has natural minerals that your skin might actually benefit from. Pro tip: pair it with essential oils. Cooking with pink salt is a subtle art. Its flavor isn't as harsh as regular salt, so it enhances dishes without overpowering. Plus, its unique look makes it perfect for finishing salads, roasted veggies, or even chocolate desserts. Yeah, chocolate and salt. Next level. A surprising use of pink salt? It's the star of salt block cooking. You can actually heat a slab of pink salt and use it as a grill. It imparts a mildly salty flavor and looks wildly impressive at a dinner party. Conversation starter? Guaranteed. Skeptics often argue that pink salt's benefits are overhyped. Sure, it's not a miracle cure for anything, but it's undeniably versatile and mineral-rich. If eating or using it makes you feel good and adds a bit of flair, why not embrace it? Should you ditch regular salt altogether? Not necessarily. Both pink and table salt have their roles. But if you're looking to reduce sodium, upgrade your pantry, or try something new, pink salt delivers better overall value. A 5-pound bag lasts forever. Pro tip for the Portland folks: local health food stores sometimes sell pink salt in bulk. You can often snag it cheaper and avoid the markup seen in boutique shops. Small change, big impact for your kitchen budget. At the end of the day, pink salt isn't just seasoning, it's an experience. From its mineral benefits to its visual appeal, it's a simple way to elevate your cooking, wellness habits, and honestly, your vibe. It's little details like this that make life taste better.